All right, folks, last minute thing we're going to attempt to do real quick, put in a new horn. Who wants to record it? All right. So here's a new one. Okay. Here's the old one with the little thing broken. So let's actually remember how it goes right here in the back. That's where it's going to go. But so we don't have any kind of issues. Here's a bolt for it. I think it's an 8. Nope. It is a 10. So let's go ahead and put that. Crap. Matthew, go get my ratchet. It looks like this. It's up there. I brought the wrong one, folks. No, can you get that bolt for me, Noah? It's right there. Squeeze it as much as we can, just their bare hand. Alright, it's there. I'm just going to tighten this. Alright, and then we just got to put in the little plugs in the back. One. Alright. And I don't know what the deal is, folks. I mean, I can honestly admit that when I took these damn plugs off, I had horrible time taking them off. Now I'm going to have a hard time putting them back in. There we go. It's not right in there. Okay, so if they're working, this one's supposed to there it works. That's one. We'll get the other one done next week. Let's see it. What up, guys? I am out here at Pick and Pull, looking for a black front bumper for my Avenger. Kind of hard to find though, because let me just take a look real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna look through all these cars. Kind of hard to find. I haven't even started looking, but I need a black bumper that actually has fog lamps on it. I don't want to get a regular bumper that I have to put the fog lamps on it myself. So that's what I'm looking for right now. If I have any luck, I'll let you know. Alright guys, no luck. Did not have the part that I was needing, which is the front bumper. Again, I'm looking for black Avenger that already has the front bumper intact, or in decent shape at least, with the fog lamps. Now, the reason why I came out here, guys, because I was looking online. I was able to actually find one, but it was in Florida. Decent, reasonable priced, perfect condition, but the damn shipping was going to be $350. Nah, screw that. I just passed on it and decided, let me get my ass out here and look for one. So honestly, it's off the top of my head, that's the last major piece that I need to get the car patched up again and going. But you know, just be patient with it. Find it when I find it. That'll be that. So I'm gonna head out from Pig and Pull and go to another salvage yard. Maybe they'll have it. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. So now we're at AAA salvage yard. I'm in the Chrysler / Dodge section. Gonna be looking for my part. If I find it, I'll let you know. So hopefully, wish me luck. All right, guys. So just got back home from the AAA salvage. Nothing. So I'll keep looking. I think my best bet, if I'm not gonna go in person, is just to go online. See what kind of bumpers I can find, if it's at a decent price. My whole thing, guys, is like, I know how much a bumper, just a brand new bumper costs, but then the cost of having it painted and all that stuff. You know, I'm willing to get a bumper if the shipping is reasonable. I mean, if I can find it, whatever. But we'll see. Anyways, it's Sunday, my day off, because I'm off every other Sunday. I'm gonna go in. It's still in the morning. I'm sleepy as hell. Gonna go in and go to sleep and wake up later, hit the gym, watch my other video, Chasing the Superhero Body. And if there's enough sunlight, gonna do a little bit of work on the car. And that should be it for today. And then I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. Lame. See you later. All right, guys, it is Sunday afternoon, freaking end of the day. Gonna do a couple of things on the car here. What I'm gonna be doing is replacing this plastic piece right here. Obviously, it's just broken to crap. Okay. We're able to get the new one right there. So we're definitely gonna place that. And then obviously we're missing the damn light. We're gonna put the light in there. And if we have time, gotta assess the damage, see if it even works. I want to put the horn on, but the problem with that is, let's see, where is it at? Here you go. These are the wires for the horn. Obviously the little plastic clips are completely broken off, but the actual clips are still there. Will it work? I don't know, but let's check it out. All right, let's see what I can get done. Just pretty much just bolts real quick. You already saw my video for the last video with the light. Don't have to go over that. The horn, you saw that. If I can get to the horn, I will show you. See if it works or not. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we got it done. There's the light. And I checked them all. Light, yes. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all working. And there's a bracket. Now I'm gonna try that horn again, guys. These are the clips that the horn goes on. Obviously, they are not complete. I mean, or the plastic covers, I should say, are not complete on them. They're just kind of clips that hold them on, but if they still work, fuck it, I'm gonna put them on and just freaking duct tape them. Not duct tape. Electrical tape them on to secure them. But let's check it out, see how it works. Hey guys, so it's not mounted. I just freaking put the wires on there like I said I would. They're on there, not secured. Gotta put some electrical tape on them, but it works. Check it out. There you go. So now we got both horns working. Gonna mount it back on, and that'll be it for today. Hey, what? All right, guys. So I was able to put on the horn. There it is. Works. There's a light. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, guys. This is just part of the fixing it. This screw goes right here, but it's actually missing kind of like a spacer underneath it. Yeah, there's supposed to be like a little spacer, something like this. right here. So I need to find that. Very similar to this light. See how there's a little spacer. So we'll just work on that. Something else I gotta find. We're still on the hunt. Search for that damn front bumper, but it's coming along pretty great. Look at it. Looking a lot better already. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.